Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle is a tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. By the way, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but first I will solve this one. And what's the news of today? Well, I've just heard Putin has won the presidential election. The next six years he will stay as a president of Russia. Another 6 years. Well. Maybe will come a World War III. Well, all those threats to Europe. So, wartime. All right, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, number 8216. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, but I think it's rather a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. 1 star need to be faster than 50 minutes. If it's a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, let's get started. All right. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, here. 5 single boxes. Here, single box. There, single box. Here also a single box. There, single box. And here, single box. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Oh, here we have also a single box. Oh, almost overlooked. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me check. No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 3. No triple boxes. How about quadra boxes then? No quadra boxes here. Well, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z or the S construction. Here we have the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z, but it's the same shape. So let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one shape of this kind, yes. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is, maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right, these two boxes. Surround one can be a one. This box can be a one. So one box left for the one in this area. Should be there. These two boxes. Surround a three can be three. This box can be three. So one box left for three in this cross area. Should be there. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be four. These two boxes can be one. So the 4 and the 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and the 1, 4 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Well. Let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Yeah. Okay. I need to think this one. Yeah. Let me put some numbers. These two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and 5. Let me mark those to 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Well, this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. But also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. This box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, and now, And now. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. I don't think this box should be a 1. I've marked this box with the 1. We need a 1 in this S construction. If I place a 1 here, then these 3 boxes can be a 1. That means, that box should be a 1. Of course, it's connected with each other. But we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, well, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the option to place the 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this cross area should be here then. Alright. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Oh, we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here, and I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box should be 2 and 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. is connected with that box, should be so true. One box left in this area for number 5. Alright, this box can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. One box left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 here. It means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be 4. This box should be 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with a 1 as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1, 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3. And the 4, 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Here 2 numbers left also in this cross area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box where, so 2 and 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. Well. Let me think. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. Can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely 2. I marked this box with 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be a 4. One box left in this cross area for number 2. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this S construction should be here. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2 in this area. 1 and 2, let me mark those 1 and 2. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Yes. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 5 and 5. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one here, so I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. 4 out of 7. In additional, yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.